Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create passport size photo in mobile using PicsArt. Creating a passport size photo on your mobile using PicsArt is pretty easy process, and through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. So if you don't have a PicsArt app yet on your phone, you can download the PicsArt app from your device app store or Play Store if you are on Android. So after that, you can just open the PicsArt app. Then in here, you can just tap on the plus icon in the bottom of your screens to start a new project. Now just select the photo that you want for your passport photo. You can choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one using the app's camera feature. Okay, for example, in here, I'm going to use, okay, let's just as an example, I'm going to use this photos right here. So after you select your photos, you can crop it. So you can tap on tools and then select crop and choose a preset crop ratio that match the aspect ratio of a passport photo, typically around 3 by 4 or 4 by 5. You can just choose. For example, here I'm going to just use 3 by 4. You can crop your photo and then tap on the check icon. So make sure your face is centered in the frame and there's enough space around your head. Click on a check icon. And now you can adjust the background. So if your photo has a busy background, you might want to remove it and replace it with a plain white or light color background. So to remove the background, you can just use cut out. In here, tap on the cut out tool and then select the person options in here to automatically detect and remove the background. So tap on the check icon. And to add a new background, you can tap on fit in here and choose a white or a light color background. So I'm going to just use white in here. Click on the check icon. Now you need to resize the photo again. So tap on tools, choose crop, and again choose the size, just like this. And now you are done. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.